What's good, everybody? This is Mike, the artist of Splif City Apparel and Novelties in Fort Washington, Maryland. I'm going to run a test to see if this t-shirt, if the ink within it will allow me to put a bleach pad in it. Here goes nothing. See if it's going to be noticeable up front at first. If it does good, I got something in store. Don't see any noticeable results yet, but it may just take a little bit of time, like it does in some garments. Depends on the material and the ink. Starting to see some results. Let's see what happens when this thing dries. Stay tuned for part 2. Oh yeah, it's starting to become more noticeable right before my eyes. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is what I was hoping for. Oh yeah. Definitely has something in store. I'm gonna let y'all check out the final result when I have it done. Okay, I've come back to this shirt about 4 hours later because I was doing some other things. But anyways, as you can see, it's dry, but you don't notice any type of pattern showing, but the bleach is in the material. So what I'm gonna do is first apply some heat to it to see if any changes occur. If not, I'm gonna put it in a rinse and put it in a dryer and see if that brings out any patterns. And we'll see what happens after that. Well, okay, I added the heat and no pattern showcasing from the bleach. So that lets me know that the ink on this shirt is really color fast. So I'm gonna go back to my tried and true method, and I'm just gonna apply a light paint pattern on here, and it'll give me the desired result that I'm looking for. Stay tuned. Okay, I've made a paint wash. I'm using acrylic paint. I'm thinning it. I've thinned it with water. I didn't want to use any chemicals to thin it out, so I don't want to introduce that to the shirt. So here goes nothing. Let's see what we come out with. Do this lightly. Show you all the finished results. Stay tuned. Well, I finished applying the paint to the front and the back. I'm gonna let this dry. then I'll show you the vision in its totality. Alright, these are the final results of the pattern. Did it on the front and the back. I wanted it to be pretty subtle because I'm about to put my design on it. Stay tuned to the final result. Well, here it is. This is my final result. Adding my design to it. And personally, I'm loving the results. What about you? Do you like it? This is a revamp of one of my original designs. It's called It's Okay. And this is a new version of it. I'm also going to offer it in a plain to you. This is just be a additional upgrade, if you want to call it that. When you go to the website, I'll be having them on there sooner than later. But I like the way this came out.